Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Royal palette. So a purple palette. And it's super pretty. And I'm going to go through and see what kind of look I can come up with. If that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I clipped my hair back. I'm going to take off my glasses, and I've already primed my eyes with the Beauty Bay Eye Base in Base 2. And I put on my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in Deep Brown. So I got those two things done. We're going to get into the eye look. And I'm going to take this kind of violet shade here at the bottom. And I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. Alright, I'm taking this deeper purple shade, the deepest purple in here, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner of my lid. Alright, I'm going to take this top shimmer shade and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm taking a cotton round with some micellar water to clean up my edges. I'm taking the Ola Hendrickson Banana Bright Face Primer. And I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to take the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation in 120 Buff. Blending that out with my Sigma multitasker brush. I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Antioxidant Concealer in Fair. Dotting that on my under eyes. Blending it out with my concealer brush. Taking my number 7 powder in light to set my concealer. And I'm using the ColourPop F32 to do that. Alright, I'm taking the Hoola bronzer, mini bronzer by Benefit. Sorry, my neighbor's shooting guns. Or a neighbor. I'm not sure if it's next door or the house over. Keep trying to wait for him to stop, but he'll stop for a minute and I guess reload or whatever and then start right back up. So I'm taking the Saharan Blush Volume 2 and I'm going to take Lena. And I'm going to put a little bit of Lena on my cheeks. And I'm going to take a little bit of Zoba and put on top of it. Alright, I'm taking the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place again. And I'm going to try to just take a little bit and see what it does. Still stands out a whole lot, but that's really pretty. I just dipped into it once, so it's super pigmented. Alright, I'm going to take this deeper shade in the first, like, little third of my lower lash line. Alright, and now I'm going to take this darker shimmer shade in the middle and I'm going to put that on the other, the rest of my lower eyelid. And I'm just going to use the same shimmer shade that I put on my inner part of my lid in my inner corner, since there's not a kind of lighter color I can put on there. Alright, I'm taking the Thrive Cosmetics mascara and I'm going to hop off here and throw that on real quick and I'll be right back. For lips, I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm just going to take the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in shade Trust Your Gut. Here we go again. Hasn't been shooting the whole time I put on my mascara, but as soon as I start talking. Alright, I'm going to throw this on real quick. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Makeup Misting Set to set my face. Alright, well this is the final look using the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Royal palette. I think this is a beautiful purple palette. I think that it performed well. The mattes blended well. The shimmers blended well. I didn't use the pressed glitter, but I think that everything worked beautifully. I actually used every shade but 2. I didn't use this purple and the pressed glitter, but I think that if you like purples and you're interested in this, I think this would be a good buy if you're interested in it, that is. And I think that it's a great little palette. I think I came up with the halfway decent look with this palette, so I think that it would be a great little palette. Also, if you paired it with the Violets palette, you have the Violets palette too, you could pair it with that, or pair it with some neutrals. Would look really pretty using some of these shimmers with some neutrals, so that way it wouldn't be too wild. But I think it's really, really pretty, and I don't think you can go wrong with this palette if you like purples. Sorry guys about all the noise. My daughter's in there using the air fryer, and I have somebody next door shooting guns, so there's all kinds of noise, plus the roosters that are always crowing. But I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.